This is our busy kitchen. Butterfly is over there helping me with dishes, and we have a lot of things on the counter from lunch. We have Leia, who is helping me. She's preparing the muffins for breakfast. These are banana muffins. Leia, can you say hi?
Hi. We are making muffins for breakfast.
Yes. Then I'm about to wash some dishes here. Here is Eowyn playing in the rinse water. Yay! Say hi! Yay. Your hair is always in your face. Hey, look at Mommy! Eowyn, look at Mommy!
Where is it?
Say hi! Cheeky thing. Bye-bye! 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 Can you say goodbye? Eowyn, say goodbye!
Bye.
Butterfly.
What?
Look at me. There you are. Say goodbye.
Bye.